A day at the hair salon. Hi everyone! Today we have a very interesting picture for you to describe. This picture takes us inside a busy and colorful hair salon where lots of exciting things are happening. After we go through the description, you'll know about everything used in a salon and all the tools that hairdressers use to style hair. But before we start describing the picture, here's a funny question for you. What's the most important tool a hairdresser uses in the salon? Think about it. The answer might surprise you. Keep it in mind, and we'll reveal it at the end. Alright, let's start the picture. In this picture, we are inside a lively and colorful hair salon where many women are getting their hair styled and enjoying the relaxing. This salon looks bright and cheerful, with soft pink walls decorated with pictures of different hairstyles. These hairstyle pictures give customers ideas of how they might want their hair done, from curls to buns to stylish waves. At the front, a lady is sitting comfortably in a brown chair, covered with a cape full of colorful flowers. This cape keeps any small pieces of hair from getting on her clothes. She has light brown hair that is short and curly. Her face looks calm and relaxed as she waits for the hairdresser to style her hair perfectly. Behind her, the hairdresser is standing with a friendly smile. She is wearing a neat white uniform with short sleeves and she has tied up her hair in a tidy bun. She gently places her hands on the lady's hair, carefully arranging each curl to make sure it looks just right. The hairdresser's face shows that she enjoys her job and wants her customer to feel happy. Next to the lady, we see a table filled with all sorts of hairdressing tools and products. There is a big purple can of hairspray that says Extra Hold, which helps keep the hairstyle in place. There are also bottles of shampoo, a blue hairdryer, and different combs and brushes neatly arranged. Each item has its own special use to make sure the customer's hair looks amazing. In the back part of the salon, there are more ladies sitting. One lady is wearing a green dress with a towel around her neck and has her hair in curlers. She looks very happy and she is smiling at something. Another lady sits comfortably, reading a newspaper, which seems to keep her entertained while she waits for her hair to finish drying. In the corner, another hairdresser is busy with a customer. She is brushing the customer's hair and concentrating on making it look neat and stylish. This hairdresser is also dressed in a white uniform, which is the typical outfit for hairstylists in the salon. Through the big, clear window, we can see outside the salon. A red car is parked on the street, and we can see part of a building across the road with a sign that says Redford. This shows that the salon is in a small, friendly town where people know each other and enjoy their visits to the hairdresser. The view outside adds to the charm of the scene, making the salon feel cozy and inviting. The floor of the salon is a classic black and white checkered pattern, giving the place a stylish and clean look. All the ladies and the hairdressers seem to be enjoying their time here, chatting and laughing with each other. This salon feels like more than just a place to get your hair done. It's a place where people come to relax, talk, and feel good about themselves. Overall, this hair salon is filled with cheerful faces, lively conversations, and lots of pampering. It's a happy place where women come to take a break, look beautiful, and enjoy each other's company. And now for the answer to our funny question. What's the most important tool a hairdresser uses in the salon? The answer is the scissors. They always know how to cut to the point. Hope you enjoyed this description. Now, can you spot all the different hair tools we talked about in the picture? Look carefully and see if you can find each one.